Hello student, welcome to your new lesson, lesson number 4, force and energy. You know what is a force? Anybody knows? Because in 4th class you studied these things. Force. We know that pushing or pulling the object, it means we are applying force. Pushing or pulling any object, we are applying force. There are different types of force. What are the main types of force? Muscular force, gravitational force, frictional force, mechanical force and buoyant force. These are the main types of force. First, muscular force. Anybody knows about what is the muscular force? Yes. When we push, pull or lift something, we are applying muscular force. If we push, pull or lift something, we apply muscular force. Next one, gravitational force. I think you must have seen on television astronauts floating in space. You know why? Because on space there is no gravitational force. Gravitational force is present only on Earth. That's why we are able to walk or trees are stand on Earth. These all the things because of gravitational force. I hope you understood what is gravitational force. Next one, frictional force. Anybody know why we are able to walk on the ground? Otherwise, why we are able to write on board, otherwise on paper? Yes, because of frictional force. Frictional force, it means it opposes force. Why? I am giving you one example for that. You have a two surface. One is rough surface or ground. One is a smooth surface. In which area we have a more friction? Smooth surface or rough surface? Or otherwise you slip. In which surface you slip? Correct. In smooth surface. Why? Because on smooth surface there is a less friction. But on ground or rough surface there is a more friction. That's why because of the friction we are able to walk on the ground or we are able to write on the board or paper. Next one, mechanical force. Next one, mechanical force. Most simple machine make use of mechanical force. For example, car, bicycle, washing machine, etc. Last one, buoyant force. You have a two object. One is cup and one is wooden material. When you push both the thing inside the water, what happened? Both the things come upwards. Why? Because of buoyant force. Because of buoyant force. So I hope you understood the types of forces. Now everybody come to page number 209. Simple machines. What are the simple machines? Simple machines are tools which make our work easier and faster. There are different types of machine. Some common example of simple machine: lever, pulley, inclined plane, screw, wheel and axle. Okay. The first example of simple machine, levers. Commonly used tools like hammer, bottle opener, these are the example of levers. In lever, the three main points are present. First, lever, fulcrum and effort. What is lever, fulcrum and effort? Lever means the weight we lift. Lever means the weight we lift. Fulcrum, the point of support is known as fulcrum. The point of support is known as fulcrum. Effort, the force used. Effort, the force used. So on the basis of position of lever, fulcrum and effort. On the position of lever, fulcrum and effort, lever is divided into three categories: class first lever, class second lever and class third lever. Class first lever. Student, you just remember only one thing, that which is present between. So you can understood the class 1 to 3 levers. In first lever, class first lever, force is present between the effort and the load. Force is present between the effort and the load. Class second lever, load is present between the force and the effort. Load is present between the effort and force. Class third level, effort is present between the load and the force. Class third level, effort is present between the load and the effort. Second simple machine, inclined plane. What is the second simple machine? Inclined plane. Inclined plane is a slope which make our work easier. Inclined plane is a slope which make our work easier. You know, in hospitals, malls, we are using this inclined plane. Next one, the pulley. Small wheel with a groove around its outer edge is called pulley. Pulley, small wheel with a groove around its outer edge is called pulley. There are two main types of the pulley, the fixed pulley and the movable pulley. What is the fixed pulley and the movable pulley? Fixed pulley and the movable pulley. Fixed pulley, we use this pulley for drawing water from a well. We use this pulley for drawing water from a well. That is a fixed pulley. Movable pulley is used in our channel gates or means lower or upper sides and curtains. We are using the movable pulley. Next simple machine, the wheel and axle arrangement. What is wheel and axle arrangement? A wheel with a rod attached to it is known as wheel and axle arrangement. What is a wheel with a rod attached to it is called wheel and axle arrangement. It is used in big machines, car stairs, bicycle, etc. Last one, the screw. You know what is a screw? A screw is a simple machine used to hold things together tightly. That is the main use of screw. What is the use of screw? A screw is a simple machine used to hold things together tightly. Bigger screw called screw jack are used to lift car and other heavy object. So, in this video, you can understood the force and the simple machine. In next video, we are going to study about the energy. Take care students. Bye.